How do you process forms at your organization? Do you still print to pre-printed forms? Are you still mailing forms? Maybe you have someone that prints them, scans them to PDF, and then emails them to your suppliers. What would you think if I could show you a much easier way? Introducing FormFlex. This solution overview is provided by DRV Technologies, developers of FlexTool software for the IBM i, I-Series, and AS400. We'll look at FormFlex native IBM i software to eliminate physical storage and manual handling of expensive pre-printed forms by giving you the ability to create, print, email, and archive electronic forms. Today, we'll be focusing on purchase order processing for our example. DRV Tech is a software development firm here in the United States dedicated to creating innovative solutions for the IBM system. DRV has been helping IBM shops since 2002 with easy-to-use solutions we call Flex Tools. The traditional way many organizations process documents is to print, burst, stuff, and mail. It's expensive, labor-intensive, and fraught with human error. DRV helps improve this process with FormFlex electronic form solutions. The main reasons that people consider moving to electronic documents are to eliminate the paper waste, streamline resources, and reduce manual processing depicted in this graphic. With FormFlex, the document can print to blank laser paper, or it can originate in PDF format instead of hard copy, with options to automatically email and archive. POs are delivered faster with less manual resources. If you need to locate one from last month, you can search electronically and locate it. Even resend it if necessary with just a few strokes of your mouse and keyboard. FormFlex software is modular, so you can build a paperless document delivery solution to fit your unique requirements and budget. The electronic form and data merge and print to an HP-compatible laser printer or to PDF. Archiving means you can search, view, and retrieve your forms from your desktop faster than you ever thought. Automated delivery by email and internet faxing means you can slash distribution costs, savings which go straight to the bottom line. FormFlex is straightforward software. It runs natively on the IBM Power System for unlimited users, unlimited forms, and unlimited out queues. Our lead developers have over 25 years experience developing and deploying AS400 electronic form software, so we understand precisely what today's IBM shops really need in an electronic form solution. Software that delivers advanced features but doesn't cost an arm and a leg. So FormFlex is designed and priced to be licensed and implemented affordably and provide a solid return on investment. DRV helps clients simplify their forms processing. Typically, processing purchase orders to send to suppliers is labor-intensive, requiring each business site to warehouse pre-printed forms, print the POs, and sign the hard copy, then scan them to get them into PDF and email to the suppliers, or mail to those that don't accept email. Depending on the volume of POs generated every month, this can be a heavy load on administrative personnel to perform those tasks. And as you can imagine, the process is prone to human error and missing documents. The electronic process will be much more versatile. First, DRV will create your purchase orders here, and we'll work with your IT department to restore them on your system. We'll configure the software and implement the distribution rules. Buyers will enter purchase orders normally into the purchase order entry system. Only when they print, it'll go to FormFlex instead of a pre-printed form, and the electronic signature will be applied, and an electronic PDF copy can be emailed to the buyer to review or directly to the supplier, or both. If the supplier prefers, you can deliver it by internet faxing, and of course, printing and mailing is still an option. Copies will be saved to the network server automatically as PDF. Implementation of this whole process can take as little as a week, but I recommend a good rule of thumb is to plan on 4 weeks from start to finish. What all this means is that your buyers really have nothing to change in the way you generate a purchase order, only the way that it's delivered in digital format seamlessly. This is a screenshot from a BPIX entry screen, but it could be from any application running on the IBM i. You simply enter the data and print it. FormFlex takes over the process from there. Here's a sample purchase order spool file that would normally print to a pre-printed form on an impact printer. Here's the resulting electronic form created with FormFlex. FormFlex adds lines, boxes, static text, logo, signature, and it lets you control font and point size, as well as remapping data print position. So it can move your data up, down, around, copy it, delete it. FormFlex helps you to eliminate pre-printed continuous forms, letting you print to plain cut sheet paper. But again, it has the ability to output directly to PDF. Many of our customers have discovered they no longer need to print file copies. Instead, FormFlex automatically files them electronically. When it's time to retrieve information from their documents, they quickly and easily access their documents from their desktop. Implementation is coordinated between DRV and your IT department. Once you've installed the software, DRV will help you configure and activate it in less than 30 minutes. DRV will obtain sample forms, spool files, logos, everything that they need to design your forms, and we'll create them here and send them to you to restore on your network, on your system. We'll work with your team to set up the distribution rules and the job scheduler to automate the process so it runs transparently in the background. So when you print a PO or you enter it into the application program, you hit print and it creates a printer file or a spool file. The IBM operating system uses output queues, which are like a bucket, temporarily holding print files from various programs, which can stack up until they're ready to print, kind of like standing in a queue. A print writer is a program that handles the communication between the system and the printer, where your pre-printed forms would normally be lining up. It's here, at this point, in the out queue, that FormFlex will intercept the spool file, merge it with an electronic form, and either print it or output it to PDF. The software can automatically associate a vendor number with a record in our built-in address books, or pull the email from the spool page, or directly from your application database file represented in this graphic of a database. And the software will pull the correct email address associated with that vendor number. If there is no email address, it can fax it to the fax number associated with that vendor number. If there's no email or fax, of course it can print. All of this is handled by FormFlex automatically. As we said, FormFlex can email a copy to the buyer or directly to the supplier or both. If you have some that you want to print, it'll do that too, and it'll send it to a laser printer. Finally, FormFlex will archive copies to a network server, such as the mock-up shown here, showing subdirectories for each location. The email could be sent to the buyer. They can review it before they send it, or it can be sent to the supplier and copied to the buyer to review for accuracy. You decide what's best for your workflow. The best part about paperless documents is that electronic copies can be archived on a file server for easy company-wide access. You can eliminate filing cabinets. The electronic files are text searchable, and you can quickly locate specific documents using something as simple as Windows Explorer. You can even key in specific tags to locate the specific file you're looking for. So there's no need for expensive proprietary document management solutions to find the file that you're looking for. You just handle it all from your desktop with these tools. It's simple. If you want to print, for example, terms and conditions on the back, SpoolFlex can do that too. We can support duplexing if you have printers that are duplex printers, but if it's a PDF, you can embed the terms and conditions on the last page. The key to all of this is that it can be fully automated to work seamlessly in the background using a built-in job scheduler we call Sentry, although you still have the ability, in the interactive ability, to locate and distribute your forms manually if you want to. Once FormFlex Sentry switched on, it can just run invisibly in the background, managing your purchase order PDF output and delivery. If you decide you're ready to implement electronic forms, all you need to do is contact us. We can discuss your unique requirements and make recommendations. We can even arrange dedicated online demonstration specifically to show you how to do what you're looking to do. We can arrange to download and activate the software with you, provide a proof of concept if you like. All you need is a printer that we can see from your IBM i that's compatible. That would be any HP compatible laser printer, like a network printer. When you're ready to pull the trigger, we'll even work with you to design your forms, and we'll help get you implemented fast. The software is downloaded directly from our website. You just select the correct operating system and download it and install it. It takes about 10 minutes to install. Need help? We provide unlimited technical support to help you set up the software, configure it, and activate it for your environment. We also have an online library with manuals and tutorials that show you step by step how to use our software. DRV's focus and philosophy has been rewarded with over 1,600 installations since opening our doors in 2002. Our customers range from small family-owned businesses to Fortune 100 international corporations. So whether your business is finance, manufacturing, distribution, or even a government agency, FormFlex is going to help you save a lot of money. It's going to streamline your process and save you a ton of time, all for a relatively small investment. If this looks like something your organization should be doing, give us a call. We'll be happy to discuss what you're doing today and suggest a path to move forward to a paperless document delivery and archiving solution for a more efficient way to exchange business documents with your business partners. Who knows? The money you save could be your raise.